Hi, I'm Joanne Mcleod.
And I'm Hal Johnson.
We are huge fans of The Amazing Race.
You might know us from BodyBreak. We've been encouraging Canadians to live a healthy, active lifestyle for 25 years.
It's really just an extension of our real lives. Besides being business partners, we're married, we have a 14-year-old daughter, and Max. He's a Nova Scotia Ductola Retriever.
And I'm 56.
And I'm 54. I grew up in Scarborough and had the honor of representing Canada running hurdles and track meets all over the world.
I grew up in North York, and my passion for baseball started at a very early age. I then went on to the University of Colorado on a baseball scholarship and then played on Team Canada.
25 years Joanne and I have been living and working together. That's why we think we've got what it takes to win the amazing race.
Well, this is where we've watched The Amazing Race since its inception in 2001, and we haven't missed an episode. And as Joanne said, we're big, huge, enormous fans of the show. You might say that we've been training for this all these years. We've cycled in Lunenburg, whitewater rafted on the Bow River, skied in Mont Tremblant, kayaked in Algonquin Park, golfed in Alberta, snowboarded in Whistler, heli-hiked in the Bugaboos, skated on the Rideau Canal. So many activities, roadblocks, and challenges all across Canada. Whether email, social media, or people that we meet on the street every day, people tell us that they've grown up with us. They've grown up with BodyBreak. Now that can be a big advantage on The Amazing Race, but it also could put targets on our backs.
It could be a liability, but I think we could use it to our advantage.
I think we can. There's going to be a lot of great competitors out there, and that's what we're really looking forward to.
We're also really proud to be Canadian, and to get the opportunity to be on the first Amazing Race Canada would be great.
Oh, it really would be, and celebrating 25 years being together. Well, until next time, keep fit and have fun.